Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to fix inverted camera on Snapchat, and what we have to do is to navigate to where our Snapchat is, and then I want us to long press on the Snapchat application, and then we're going to tap on app info. There we're going to tap on the permissions, and we're going to access our camera from there. If our camera access is on allow, we're going to put it on don't allow. Then we're going to go back. Then we're going to go back again. And then we're going to tap on storage and cache. Then we're going to clear the cache. From there, we're going to go back. Then we're going to head on over to our permission. And then we are going to change the access on our camera from don't allow to allow. Then we're going to go back again, and then we're going to access our settings. Then we are going to make sure that we've updated our devices to the latest version. And as you can see, mine doesn't have any new features that need to be updated. So another thing that we can do is to head on over to our Play Store. Then we are going to search for our Snapchat application. We're going to tap on it. We're going to make sure that we have the latest version on Snapchat. In the case that you do have, I would suggest that you update it to the latest version. And then lastly, I would like you guys to long press on your power button and choose between the power off. Then you're going to long press on the power button again or start. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.